Right, Isha, today we'll learn about algebra. Okay, this is very fantastic. I mean, this is really good math, and this is really quite fun to find out numbers which are unknown. So, for example, if I just write a number like x plus 1, I think that looks like more like an. Okay, so let's say x plus. Okay, so let's say this is an x plus 1 equal 5. Okay, so what does algebra do? It is trying to, or it is asking you to find out which number should be in this here. I mean, in this position. Okay, which number should be replacing x. Okay, so the way to do this math, what you have to do, remember, all the time, the letter where it can be x, it can be y, it can be z, doesn't matter. That letter needs to be on the left hand side, and all the other numbers it should be on the right hand side. That's the first logic. So what you have to do, you need to put the x here, and whichever number you have, that should be going on that side. But when it goes to the other side, the symbol should change to the opposite sign. Okay, so if x stays here, you need to put an equal here. Whatever number is here, 5, that doesn't change. The 5 will be exactly however it is, but the 1 will be going over here. But if the 1 goes here, look what is in front of 1, which is plus, so that should be minus, and the number should be here. And then just do simply math, x equal to 4. So that means by doing algebra, you're trying to find out, see over here, which is an unknown number, that number should have been 4, and which is correct. Look, 4 plus 1 equal 5. Okay, let's do one more math here. So let's say now instead of x, it can be even y. It doesn't really matter. So y minus 2 equal 8. Same logic. The letter should be on the left hand side, and all the numbers should be on the right hand side. So the letters is y here. Put the equal here. The 8 is not going to do anything. 8 will be exactly however it is now. But the 2 will be going on the other side. But look, what is in front of 2, which is a minus. So minus will turn to plus, and the number will be here. So that means y equal to 10. Then if you try to find out, look, instead of y, if you write down 10 minus 2 equal to 8. It's so fun. It's really good math. Same way, let's say if I try to do, let's say a number with, let's say p, for an example. So p times 2 equal 10. Same logic, doesn't matter. P will be here, the letter should be on the left hand side, equal, 10 is here, but look, there is a multiply, so that should turn to division. So P equal to 5. Look, it's 5 times 2 equal 10. So lovely. Now let's do one more. So let's say x divided 20, and let's say the number is let's say 5. Okay, or shall we go a bit easier, just to make sure? Let's say x divided 2 equal 8. So what do you do? The letter should be on the left hand side, which is x is here, equal 8, and remember there's a division here, so that should be multiplying there. So x equal to 16. So that means if you do 16 divided 2, that's equal to 8. Clear? So now the other way, sometime you might get confused. If some number is like this, if someone shows you like, let's say 5x equal 10. So you might be confused. Okay, Daddy, how I'm gonna find the number x here? So now you need to be a bit tricky here, or you need to be a bit clever here. So 5x, actually it meant 5 times x equal 10. So that's the only thing you have to understand. So whenever you see a number like 5x, 7x, 10x, that's actually what it meant. So what do you do whenever you see something like 5x equal 10? You do 5 times x equal 10. Then simply x will be here, then 10, and look, what is opposite of here? That should be, just a second, let me find out. So 5 times x is 10, so that should be, yeah, so that means that should be 5. Okay, or normally actually you'll be writing like divided 5. Okay, because this is a multiply here, so that means x equal to 2. So that means 5 times 2 equal 10. Okay, so if someone says 3y equal, let's say 9, what should it be? Same, y will be here, 9 divided 3. Okay, so the answer is y equal 3. So that means over here this should be number 3.